the fancy word these days of flatbread. So I want to do a couple for you and Rach. So we're going to start with the vegetable flatbread. I'm at Emeril, and I'm with the chef, and we're going to start with just a little bit of olive oil. So once we have a basic pizza dough, I'd like to just drizzle a little olive oil on it, and then we're just doing a very simple red sauce as the base. So we'll start with the vegetable. We got an assortment of peppers, sweet peppers, not hot. We have eggplant. We have mushrooms. We have roasted garlic, and we have red onions. That's really sort of the foundation for this basic vegetable flatbread. And then, of course, the mozzarella cheese will go on top, and we'll insert that in the oven. Now, I'm at Emeril, so we have a pizza oven here. Obviously, most people don't have a pizza oven at home. Turn your oven on about 450 degrees, 475 degrees, and you'll get the same results with a crispy crust. You want to be able to blanch the vegetables a little bit. Like the eggplant is just slightly blanched. The mushrooms are slightly sauteed. The garlic is roasted. The peppers are raw, and the onions are raw. But other than that, we're going to go in with that. Now, John, here's for you, buddy. Here's the muffuletta.
This is going to be John's dream for the next several nights.
Here we go. So look, we got salumi, right? Just regular Genoa salami, just julienne. Put extra on for John, for sure. And then we have mortadella. All right, olive relish or olive salad, whatever you want to call it.
Yes, olive salad. That's the essential ingredient of muffuletta.
Right, and then inside the oven it goes. Like I said, we have pizza oven here at Emeril. You don't have that hot oven at home, it's going to be great. So look, this is the muffuletta, and this is the vegetable. And then we just sort of cut them. Or you don't have to cut them. You just pick up the whole thing, John, and just go away. Here we go.
I'm drooling. We're reaching through the screen. I'm drooling.